Hi friends, welcome to Trending Stocks. Kindly subscribe to my channel for the latest market updates and also the multi-bagger tips. But now we are going to discuss about junk stocks. Actually, you can see here we are already I created a playlist and there are many videos in that, and you can see the junk stocks list and I am keep on updating that. And today we are going to discuss about such an another junk stock, that is Reliance Capital, and we will go into the details and I will explain you why it is junk stock and why you should exit from there, and you should safeguard your money. So I'll explain you that. So you can see here Sunvaria Consumer I recommended as junk stock, UVSL I recommended as junk stock, Sunvaria Consumer, Visagar Poltex, and there are many other companies like MFL India, many companies. You can you can have a look into the junk stock playlist, so you will come to know all the shares. So just I should supposed to remind you that kindly subscribe to my channel if you are the first time visitor. So we will go into the details, and now you can see that Reliance Capital is trading today at upper circuit. You can see here it is trading 10.30 in upper circuit, and if you see the 5 years chart, you can come to know that it was trading at 800 plus 800 and 856.80 in 2017, and now it is trading around 10. And if you see the 6 months chart, and you can come to know that there is a minor fluctuation is happening, and it was created a low of around 8.3, and it reached up to somewhere around 13.85, and there was a minor fall was happened again. It sustained around somewhere around 13.55, and now it is shooting up again, and it is going for another rally. You can see here, so it is totally manipulated rally, and there is no hope on this share, and this will be a junk stock. Junk stock means this will be vanish your entire investment in the company, because the this Reliance Capital is owned by Anil Ambani. So almost everything is vanished. That means the company doesn't have anything. So just I will explain you in details. You can see here the Reliance Capital default the interest payment on all term loan again. So because they are on totally trouble, because already you know about the story of Anil Ambani. He was a billionaire. Now he is in zero position. So you can see here, if you see the income statement right now, we are on Money Control website. You can see here the income statement of Reliance Capital in 2019. The company was generating around 597 crore. During this time it started to fall. Actually, during this time the company was started to fall. In 5 years chart, if you see here, 2019 it was trading somewhere around 190 to 100 range, around 60-70 range it was trading. You can see here, at that time the company was already started to generate negative profit. Before, company was in profit, and it was started to create negative profit in 2019, and at that time it was having 597 crore sales. Then it started to reduce 356 crore, 277, 274, and in December 2020, if you see, it is only 10 crore. It is only minimal, and you can see here it is increasing here. That means the net profit is going on negative in huge. You can see around 4,244 crore negative profit, and while we are looking into the this thing, the market capitalization of the company is 259 crore, and book value per share is 66.61, so minus 66.61. So the company is having nothing. That means on negative. So still, if there is a rally, means somebody is making manipulation, and they are trying to exit from there. So we will go into the details, and I will show you how it is getting exit. The peoples are getting the money back. So you can see in 2019 onwards, everyone is started to sell. You can see here, and if you see that means the promoter holding in the company is only 1.51 percentage. In that, almost 3.4 percentage is already pledged also. So promoter is having zero only. Entire investment of the public is there. That means around 94.9 percentage is with the public. So now this team, that means what we will call the public, in the public itself, some of them having a huge holding, so they are trying to exit from there.